The Nigerian Content Development and Monitoring Board (NCDMB) has called for greater Nigerian ownership and management of oil and gas industry data to strengthen transparency, reduce project costs, and promote indigenous capacity in real-time project monitoring. This was the focus of a Nigerian oil and gas industry sensitization workshop on real-time project monitoring hosted by NCDMB's Monitoring and Evaluation Directorate in partnership with Energy Projects Data Media Limited in Lagos. The workshop, which brought together representatives of international and indigenous oil companies, explored the role of real-time project tracking and data management in achieving efficiency, transparency, and compliance with Nigerian content policies. In his opening remarks, the General Manager, Monitoring and Evaluation Midstream NCDMB, Silas Ajimejaye, commended the partnership with EPDM and underscored the board's commitments to building local capacity in project monitoring and data governance.
I praise the resilience of Energy Project Data Media Limited for sustaining the momentum till we have this project the way it is today. It's a very noble idea. The world is ruled by ideas, and just as it said in the scripture that the word became flesh. So we are hoping that these ideas will eventually become something that is beneficial to our industry.
He explained that the initiative aligns with the board's core mandate of catalyzing industrialization through local content, noting effective project monitoring and reliable data systems as critical to sustainable industry growth.
As you know, we want to be the catalyst for the industrialization of the Nigerian oil and gas sector, and not only the core oil and gas sector, but all the affiliated and associated business in that value chain. So we are hoping that with this project, when accomplished, where we should get to a situation whereby we are not only owning our ability to develop our industry, we will also be owning our data. So I think the time has come that we will continue to rethink this scenario and see how we can own our data and also make it beneficial starting from our country. Yes, we have international companies in the room, that is, those data that apply to our own industry, you should be able to have access to it in country, benefit from it, not only for Nigeria, but indeed for the industry and the entire world, to the extent that going forward, we can also be a hub for data, both for production, exploration, service, and so on. And like these other companies that I was talking about, we in Nigeria too, we can be a hub for information that benefits the industry.
Presenting the project concept, Founder and Chief Executive Officer of Energy Projects Data Media Limited, Donald Ibegbu, explained that the oil and gas real-time project tracking and data management platform was designed to provide integrated, real-time access to project information across all stages from concept to completion.
We are bringing to Nigeria oil and gas community real-time digital platform and integrated electronic system. To put it in a simple term, what we want to do, we are putting together a profile of all the planned projects and ongoing projects in an integrated system that will be operating on a regular basis, and add projects as they conceive. We'll start following projects from conception stage till academic stage.
He described the system as a cost-effective, data-driven solution that would enable operators, service companies, and regulators to monitor projects more transparently and efficiently. In his closing remarks, Executive Director Operations (EPDM) Dr. Charles Inweogu expressed appreciation to NCDMB for creating the platform for knowledge sharing and collaboration. The workshop reaffirmed NCDMB's strategic focus on leveraging technology and local innovation to deepen Nigerian content in the oil and gas sector. By supporting indigenous initiatives such as the EPDM Real-Time Project Monitoring Platform, the board aims to strengthen data management systems, reduce operational inefficiencies, and promote inclusive participation across the industry value chain.